नमस्कार, देख रहे हैं वेब दुनिया। मैं हूं रूना आशीष और मेरे साथ एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस है जिनका नाम सुन के ना आपको ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत सुंदर सी, प्योर सी, क्रिस्टल जैसी चमक वाली एक लड़की होंगी, और लगभग वही है क्रिस्टल डिसूजा। आपका नाम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा है मुझे। द डे आई हर्ड आई वाज लाइक सच अ ब्यूटीफुल नेम। किसकी चॉइस थी, मम्मा की या कि पापा की?
मेरे डैड की बहन की चॉइस थी, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड सरप्राइजिंगली माय नेम केम फ्रॉम एन इंटरनेशनल टीवी शो called Dynasty. So there's this Dynasty. In today's time, there's a remake of Dynasty, just like our song. But back in the day, there was a show called Dynasty, जहाँ पे एक character थी Crystal, Krystle, with the same spelling. So that's where my name actually comes from. And just as it says that there was a remake made of Dynasty, there's a crystal in this, there's a remake made of Ek Bewafa Hai, and there's a crystal in that as well.
What a coincidence, Sarji. So
Yes, 100%.
चलिए थोड़ा सा सॉन्ग के बारे में बताइए। कब शूट हुआ, आपको कैसे अप्रोच किया गया, क्या डिटेल्स दिए गए थे?
I got a call from Tips saying that they are making a remake of an iconic song, Ek Bewafa Thi, and I was like, wow, I would love to be a part of it because that's a song I've heard from childhood. They said there's a twist to it. मैंने कहा twist क्या है? तो उन्होंने कहा कि हमें एक ऐसी लड़की चाहिए जो innocent दिखती है लेकिन betray कर पाएगी. And I was like, okay, that's me. So that's why that's how it actually came up to me. Then I heard the song. Samir Khan has sung it so well that I knew that in a heartbeat I had to be a part of it. And knowing that Tips is on board and so is Adil Sheikh, our director, he came up with these brilliant ideas of how he wants to picturize it like a short film with a crisp story. And I said, why not? I mean, you're getting to perform as an actor in a 3.5-minute song with so much of storyline. I think it was it's a blessing in these times. It was shot on 23rd of December last year when the lockdown was lifted, but we still took a lot of care. Tips made us all take COVID tests. We took care of all protocols. There was masking, there was social distancing that was taken care of. So we were made to feel very comfortable on set, and that's how this could be shot because these times are very scary, and if you're not comfortable, it can get very difficult to be on a set with so many people. Actually, it can be very overwhelming because we are all isolating, and then suddenly to see so many people in these times, it can get a little scary. But Tips made it very comfortable for all of us, and we actually had a ball for time.
आप जैसे कह रही हैं वो सही कह रही हैं कि ओवरवेलमिंग सी सिचुएशन हो जाती है। जब आप लॉकडाउन चल रहा था तब आप क्या कर रहे थे? क्या आप अपने होम टाउन में थे या आप मुंबई की हैं या फ्रेंड्स के साथ थे? कैसे था आपका?
मुंबई मेरा होम टाउन है. मुंबई ही मेरा होम टाउन है. आई एम born and brought up in Mumbai. The unfortunate part is I live alone in Mumbai. My parents were quarantined somewhere else. I was in Mumbai, so I was stuck all alone with no house help, nothing. तो मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा. मैंने सीखा झाड़ू पोछा कैसे करते हैं, बर्तन कैसे धोते हैं, खाना कैसे बनाते हैं. फिर बहुत 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 सब घर के काम अब मैं सीख चुकी हूँ. आई एम ट्रूली अ टीवी बहू नाउ. After so many years of doing TV, today I'm a TV बहू.
मेरा अगला सवाल वही था। आप टीवी पे जितने एक बहुत अच्छी सिस्टर दिखाई दी हैं, हजारों लाखों वाली बहना वाली बात हो जाती है, फिर एक बहुत अच्छी बहू बनकर भी लोगों के सामने आई है। इनफैक्ट आई रिमेम्बर मैं आपके सेट पे बहुत बार आया करती थी। उस इमेज से ये इमेज मतलब मुझे झटका लग रहा था। बहुत सारे लोगों को झटका देने वाली हैं आप।
Honestly, I feel as an actor, it's very important to grow. You can't be stuck in one kind of a character or a serial or a show or a movie or anything. It's very important to keep growing, to keep doing different things. So that's what I'm doing. I'm experimenting. I'm trying my best to entertain myself and my fans. कि वो थोड़ा सा monotonous ना लगे कि same काम किए जा रही है. Let's not follow her anymore. Let's not see her work because she's going to be doing the same things. Surprise everybody at the same time.
Certainly, surprise तो आप दे ही रही हैं। एक बात बताइए क्रिस्टल, जब आप शूट नहीं कर रही होती हैं, चाहे वो अच्छी बहू वाला हो, बहन वाला रोल हो, या फिर अभी बेवफा जो सॉन्ग है उसके हिसाब का, तब क्रिस्टल कैसी रहती है? आई मीन शी इज मोर कैजुअल, चलता है टाइप्स, और सुबह उठने से लेकर रात को सोने तक शी वांट्स टू बी प्रिम एंड प्रॉपर एंड बहुत हर चीज का बहुत सलीका होना चाहिए। कैसी हैं आप?
So I think I'm a balance between these two. I love being prim and proper. My problem is I can't wake up and look shabby. I need to wake up, freshen up, look like wear good clothes, and then I can step out. And I'm stepping out in very like I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt. I'm in comfortable clothes. But I need to wake up. I need to look presentable to myself because otherwise I will be very dull as a person.
That's true, that's true. और जब आप शूट करती हैं तब तो दिन रात मतलब टेलीविजन जितना भी मैंने कवर किया है, आप लोग इंस्पायर करते हैं एक्टर्स हम सारे मीडिया वालों को भी कि यार ये 24 घंटे काम करते हैं, घर नहीं जाते हैं, तो हम भी शूटिंग कर सकते हैं. सो तब बताइए, तब कैसे मैनेज करती हैं? इस थकावट आती है कभी, और अगर आ जाती है तो कैसे मैनेज करती हैं?
I think, TV is something that is very tiresome because वो चलते ही जाता है, चलते ही जाता है, चलते ही जाता है. एक ही कैरेक्टर, एक ही शो, एक ही फैमिली, एक ही घर, बहुत बहुत monotonous हो जाता है. So that is very, very tiring. But hats off to TV actors. I have immense respect for TV. Even being a part of it also, it gets sometimes very difficult. कभी कभी आपकी तबीयत इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती, लेकिन आपको जाना पड़ता है सेट पे क्योंकि कल का टेलीकास्ट होता है and you cannot help it. So, immense respect for TV actors for sure. I mean, when I was doing it, I didn't realize कि इतना difficult है. पर जब मैंने transition किया to web and then to movies, and I realized कि ये तो बहुत आसान है. तब मुझे value समझ आई कि TV में हमें literally ऐसे कहते हैं ना, military camp training मिलती है. तो वही है. It's a military camp training.
Lovely. एक चेहरे से related सवाल पूछूंगी. बच्चन साहब के सामने खड़े होने का वो पहला शॉट कैसा रहा है? और टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट इट. इट लुक्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
I was overwhelmed. I was so nervous. And usi din, that was my first day of shoot with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan ji. And my mom insisted she wants to come on set. Of course. So I was like, yaar, and I get very nervous performing in front of family also. So I was like, oh God, abhi Amitabh Bachchan ji hai, mom hai, main kya karu, kitna karu. But I did my scene, he made me feel so comfortable, so warm. He's so professional. There's so much to learn from him. He's so humble, even after achieving all the things that he has. So I think, doing that scene more than anything else, I looked at my mom and she was in tears. And that's what, really made me feel like, wow, I must have done something good in life. And, today finally she's proud of me.
No, certainly. I'm sure वो शायद बोलती नहीं होंगी. अच्छा, एक बेवफा पे वापस आते हैं. ये सॉन्ग आपको कितना अच्छा लगा? और certainly एक जिस कंपनी के साथ आप काम कर रही हैं, इनका बहुत बड़ी हिस्ट्री रह चुकी है म्यूजिक में, म्यूजिकल फिल्म्स में, फिल्म प्रोडक्शन में. सो ओवरऑल किस तरीके से म्यूजिक को आप समझती हैं? तो ओवरऑल म्यूजिक के बाद
honestly, ये गाना बहुत बहुत ज्यादा आइकॉनिक है. I have grown up listening to this song. तो मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि it's not for me, it's not a remake. For me, it's a tribute. कि I'm getting to pay a tribute to Kareena Kapoor, to Akshay Kumar of that time and do it again. Be a part of something so big. So I will not call it a remake. For me, in my heart and my head, it's a tribute. And, to do it with Tips. Tips ने तभी भी गाना बनाया, अभी भी बनाया. So I feel like, Tips has always been such a reputed company. So for me, to even collaborate with such a big company is a blessing. And honestly, they have been so good with everything, from, taking care of all protocols to taking care of the actors, the artists on set, to now promotion time. They're so.
This one's battery. Just give me a.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
No, not a problem. Not a problem at all.
Okay, बच गया.
Yeah, so they have been extremely professional as to even collaborate with, and I feel like I'm somehow blessed with the best always, and I must have done something good in my previous life.
अच्छा, एक सवाल, श्रवण जी अब इस दुनिया में नहीं है, जब आप शूट कर रहे थे तब सर्टनली यू ब्रिंग आउट दैट एनर्जी कि अरे ये म्यूजिक उस टाइम का है, ये ऐसा है वैसा है, और अब एक बार जब श्रवण जी के गाने को बजाया जाता है तो कितना धन्यवाद करना चाहेंगे उनको आज इस समय में, जब स्पेशली शायद वो आसमान से आपको देख रहे होंगे।
गाने में भी हमने ट्रिब्यूट दिया है, क्योंकि इट इज क्रेडिट given where credit is due. You cannot take away from the composers, the makers of such iconic songs. They deserve it. And of course, he'll be looking down and smiling and saying, I knew I would come back.
How beautiful. I think बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से जाते जाते कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगी, और नेक्स्ट क्या कर रही है? वेब सीरीज की दुनिया आपका वेट कर रही है, चेहरे का हम वेट कर रहे हैं, और क्या कर रही हैं?
फिलहाल तो it's a very difficult time to go out and start something new. So I'm staying safe. I'm staying put. The only thing I'm looking forward to is my vaccination. I'm looking forward to be vaccinated and live in a happier world where we all can combat this horrible, horrible phase in our lives. Filhal, so I'm just looking forward to Chehre, and I know that it will come out in the theaters very soon, and the fact that it's going to come out in the theater, that means that everyone is going to be okay to be going into a theater. And that's the best part about releasing in a theater, that we know that sab theek honge, tab theaters khulenge, tab Chehre aayega, aur tab with a happy or fresh mind, we will all go and watch an amazing film.
That's beautiful. एक चीज और बोलना चाहूंगी, चलो इस कोरोना से बेवफाई कर ली जाए।
Yeah, I wish this corona से हम बेवफाई कर पाए, लेकिन somehow we are just not able to escape this, I guess, because our population is that much, because this wave is very, very strong. It's affecting youngsters, old people, everyone. पहले तो हम कहते थे यार, we are young, we are strong. Now it's nothing like that. It's anybody can be affected, anybody can be even gone. So thank your stars every day for being alive, for being here, and value every day like it's your last. That's all I can say. I feel every morning that I wake up, I thank God that I'm awake, that I'm strong, that I'm healthy. I call up my parents, I catch up on them. This time has actually made us very close to our family and friends, where you're so scared, you want to check up on everyone, you care about everyone, and that's the best part and the worst part of this.